In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Riders Republic game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box. And now just type in Riders Republic to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page. Here you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Now, based on the bundle or edition you would like to purchase, just click on the Add to Cart button. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you can just use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Simply enter your credentials, followed by your billing information, and you have the option to save it for later use as well by clicking on the checkbox. Now, as soon as you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. And from there, you can choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Riders Republic game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Riders Republic on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.